What I love most about this pedagogy is that it believes that the source of wisdom is in the participants.
And I think the most helpful thing that I've gotten from the training is how to introduce that feeling of play and lightheartedness to restorative interactions, which is so important.
And making space for adults to connect by playing together as in the process of learning.
One impact of this work is that it can bring together people from different generations, from different backgrounds, different realms of practice to come together and learn from and with each other.
It was very powerful, and it just kind of like made me feel all the feels.
The relationships we've built, really, I feel like I could pick up the phone and reach out to people and ask them questions, and they're willing, like their souls and hearts are all open to helping me develop.
One thing we've really noticed is how this way of teaching builds enthusiasm. So people leave having really loved an experience of a game or have gotten a lot of meaning out of it and feeling excited to bring it back to their community. And that building of really genuine enthusiasm in our teaching and training of restorative justice can feel really powerful.